Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Duet Night Abyss game not launching or not opening or stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, just you have to go below and here we'll find all the requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC has all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as admin. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So search for the game over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and after verifying the game files, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Under background process tab, here it will check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them, right click on it and click on end task. So after closing the apps that is running in the background, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. So the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So whatever you get, click on it, wait for some time and after you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game once again and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, you have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if any antivirus program is installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again, so confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. So after it is open, now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application. After adding the game to the list, now select the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if all the above solutions doesn't work, then it's suggested to reinstall Duet Night Abyss game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Duet Night Abyss game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.